Hello guys and welcome to home gardening once again. So this is my update on blue dragon flowerhorn. So this flowerhorn, when I bought it, it was just a coin size, and now look at the size. Just compare my hand with this flowerhorn. So this is only 4 to 5 months old flowerhorn, and which has boosted his growth somehow. The food I'm giving him is like tetrabytes. So this is the packet which I am able to feed him. Also sometimes I feed him the frozen shrimps, which you call as jhingas. And yeah, the tank is pretty much clean. So in the tank, I have extended little bit of the filter pipe. It was not picking up the debris from the bottom. So you can see the bottom is very much clean after I have did this thing. And now one thing I want to make sure, guys, don't give your flowerhorn this food. As my flowerhorn has completely stopped eating that food after I introduced him to a tetrabytes. Anyways, the tetrabytes is good. The hump is very beautiful of this flowerhorn, and the hump I got within like 2 to 3 weeks, only after feeding him shrimps. So you can see the beautiful coloration of this flowerhorn. This is a little bit shy one, but it loves food. Just look at the beauty of this guy. You won't believe I just bought it for 100 rupees when it was a baby. I raised it with care. For caring, I believe I change the water, like to 80% of water I change in every 2 weeks. However, I keep on cleaning the glass. This is acrylic glass, but I keep on cleaning the glass as and when I get time out of my schedule. I hope guys you liked the video, and I think it's time to sign off now. If you like it, just thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. There are many videos coming in future, like how to raise guppy fries in Indian climate. I have been raising successfully the guppy fries in almost no cost. So thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye. Hope to see you soon.